Yeah, I'm all about those summer vibes, but only in the summertime. Catch me tripping late at night, but that's because of my hazy side. When I wake in the feeling of not knowing your future, and your whole life is based around sound in a computer, and this trapped in memories filled with bliss out of reality. So I'll roll up a spliff and I'll write it down some other time. My thoughts never really mattered, and all I wrote was smoking weed and so much lines shattered of loneliness and stressed out days trapped in my mind, racing thoughts and summer vibes. Hold up, press rewind, hold up, take your time, smoke up, you'll be just fine. If rapping was a vice, then I wouldn't take my time paying the price for these days in the summer. I'm a dreamer, but they say my dreams are getting dumber. Yeah.
In the summer, watching daylight turn to nighttime, trying to write rhymes, describing every single sight line I'm watching from. Talking dumb, but every word I speak to you is genius. Not a creepy dude, they watch me like the evening news. And if you're seeing through this disguise that I'm brandished with, then watch my manic fits go from panic into pandering. I'm sandwiching my hand within the opposite sides of a World War III-sized hospital ride, in the back of an EMT where I'm laughing at ABCs, attacking the easy streets for acting like eating's free. I'm practically genius, B, there's no question about it. All these summer vibes are forcing me to exit my outfit I call strength.
It's all about those